Hello students, similarity video number 17. In this video we are going to learn very important theorem of areas of similar triangles. What is the theorem? When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, I am reading it again. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Let us see what does it mean. See here, we are given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. This is given to us. Okay. Then pay attention in the figure. AD is perpendicular to BC and PAC is perpendicular to QR. What to prove? What is this? A ratio of areas of two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equals to, what is this? Square of the corresponding sides. Now see here, AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. So here square of the corresponding sides, ratio of the square of the corresponding sides equals to, see here, BC and QR are the corresponding sides. So here we get BC square upon QR square. What is this? A ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Also AC square upon PR square. So what is this? What to prove? A ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to a ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So learn what is the theorem and what to prove. Now we will go for the proof. Listen, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Pay attention, BC is the base, AD is the height, QR is the base, PAC is the height. So ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equals to ratio of the products of the bases and the corresponding heights. Yes, we know this result. So this result can be written as BC upon QR into AD upon PS, result number 1. Now see here. In triangle ABD, this triangle, and triangle PQS, this triangle. In these two triangles, pay attention, angle B is congruent to angle Q. How it is given? As triangles are similar, corresponding angles are congruent. So we have this result. Then angle ADB, this angle is congruent to angle PSQ, this angle. Reason is 90 degree. So triangle ABD and triangle PQS are similar. Reason for this angle test. Now see here, as the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. So what we are taking here? AD upon PS. AD upon PS is equals to this AB upon PQ. Triangles are similar, so corresponding sides are in proportion. Result number 2. Reason for this: corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, but we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. So, corresponding sides are in proportion. So, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Reason for this: corresponding sides are in proportion. Result number 3. Now pay attention. In result number 1, here it is AD upon PS, right? And AD upon PS is equals to AB upon PQ. So for this AD upon PS, we can substitute AB upon PQ. But AB upon PQ is BC upon QR. This is from result number 3. So, from 1, 2 and 3, what we get? This AD upon PS is replaced by BC upon QR. So, from 1, 2 and 3, what we get? Area of triangle ABC upon this result upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR into this is replaced by BC upon QR. So we get here BC into BC, BC square, QR into QR, QR square. So we have this result is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC square upon QR square. Okay, now pay attention. BC upon QR is equals to AB upon PQ. It means BC square upon QR square is equals to AB square upon PR square. Also, this is equals to this. So BC square upon QR square gives us AC square upon PR square. And hence we have the result. What is the result? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to is this result AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square. Very important theorem from this topic is, so read the statement aloud, go through the proof carefully, get it understood and learn it carefully. Now, you have to learn solved problems from the textbook. Okay, are you getting? So, learn solved examples, page number 24. Now, we will go to practice set 1.4, page number 25. Practice set 1.4 is page number 25. Question number 1. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Now pay attention. Triangles are similar and ratio of the corresponding sides is 3:5. Just we have learned the theorem. Ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equals to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. See here the representation. Let A1 and A2 be the areas of two similar triangles. S1 and S2 be the corresponding sides. Okay, we have A1 upon A2 ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equals to S1 square upon S2 square. This is from theorem on areas of similar triangles. Okay. But S1 is to S2 is given 3 is to 5. So here we get 3 square upon 5 square, and that is equals to 9 upon 25. Therefore, a ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to 9 is to 25. Yes. Now question number 2. Sub question number 2 is, then 3 is. These are very simple questions. I will go to question number 4. Pay attention. See here. Refer the book. You have to refer the book. Is, what is question number 4? Triangle LMN similar to triangle PQR. Triangles are similar. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is given to us. If QR is equals to 20, then find MN. Are you getting this? So see here the solution. Triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. Then 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is also given. So this area of triangle LMN here at the denominator, this 9 here at the denominator. So area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equals to 16 upon 9. But these two triangles are similar, so ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to, this is the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides QR and MN. See here, QR, this QR and this MN are the corresponding sides. So QR square upon MN square is equals to 16 upon 9. Taking the square root on both sides, we get QR upon MN is equals to 4 upon 3. Are you getting this? Now QR is given 20. MN to find out is equals to 4 upon 3. So Mn upon 20 is equals to 3 upon 4. This is by invertendo. We have to find out Mn, cross multiply or multiply both sides by 20 is 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. So Mn is equals to 15. Okay. Question number 6. 5 we have to solve. Question number 6 is, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is 1 is to 2 and AB is equals to 4, find DE. For this problem, just I will give the hint. What is the hint? Equilateral triangles are always similar. Remember this. If the triangles are equilateral, always they are similar. How is that? This is equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Angles are 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Here also 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Are you getting? So by angle test, here also and here also, is triangles are similar. So note this, equilateral triangles are always similar. So in problem number 6, triangle ABC and triangle DF are equilateral triangles. This is given. So we are having this result, and now proceed with this is and get it solved. Now I will go to question number 7. We will solve this in the textbook only. Pay attention. Okay, better we will solve this in the next video, is because video will be too lengthy. So we'll go ahead in the next video to get the solution of problem number 7.